So things have slowed down considerably now that it's late October. Grass ain't growing as fast as it was. I'm cool with that. I got a few things been sitting around the shop that ain't been done yet that need to be done. So my setup, how we store things. Hey, it works. Don't knock it till you try it. Okay. So anyways, I've been having some racks for my trailer just sitting around doing a whole bunch of nothing. I've been busy, been too busy to actually put them on. So, figure why not go ahead and use this downtime when nothing's going on to stick them on the trailer and see how they look. Shall we? Alright, so examining the package that's come in for these racks. I never put one together before, but it looks super simple, super straightforward. We got this. There's one of two. It's got pre-drilled holes. Looks like it goes into there. Okay. Of course, it comes with your pins that hold your racks and stuff in place, as well as the bolting hardware. So I'm fixing to mark where the holes go and drill them and sink it, and we'll see how it looks. Should hopefully make our job a whole lot easier. Alright, so I've been slowly turning wrenches for probably the last hour and a half. If you weren't in a big hurry, you probably can get it done a whole lot quicker, but it's a lazy Sunday. Anyway, so got it installed on the trailer. Already put some of the equipment on there to test it out, and fits like a glove, doesn't bounce too much. Nice and secure, works. So real quick, also just a Easter egg thrown in here, or bonus. That Echo 3020T is a beast. It's almost 2 horsepower. A string trimmer, almost 2 horsepower. Look at the size of it compared to a regular string trimmer. It's a beast. All right. This is Paul with Dirty Deeds, and I'll put the railing inside the description if you want to get you one for your trailer. Turned out pretty good, though. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That turned out really well.